Hey guys, good afternoon. Happy hump day. Well, she says she just got home, but make your own opinion. Looks like to me she just woke up having lunch, Arby's. So, guess someone sent her some money. You know, she wanted to borrow 20 for her birthday or for cigarettes. She's been asking for money for her birthday. So, what it is it's like you say, "Can I borrow 20 for cigarettes?" Do you think just one person sends money? No, multiple people are going to see that and send money. So, I'm sure she's probably cleaned up.
Yeah, you guys are in trouble. No. That's bad. Yeah. I just got home. And look, this dog's fucked up. Yeah, so they got into some shit they shouldn't have been into. No, you in trouble too, ma'am. I'm trying to avoid the processing of putting you guys in a cage, but damn it, you're making it real hard. There. Wait, Pride, come here. There you go. Yeah, you shouldn't have got nothing.
If she had took the time to train that dog, it wouldn't have never be in this position to be in trouble because it got into something. I doubt that Pride did it. It was probably the puppy, but who knows? Who knows? I mean, Pride seems like a pretty chill dog, but hey, it's not their fault, it's yours.
No, that was not good, Pride. You know better. You want Nana to get you guys a cage? Is that what's up? You need a cage? And then you're gonna cry, boo, because you're getting locked up. They won't let me out. No, go. Go. Damn, from 9 o'clock and what? Damn, just go. I'm ready for the weekend already. I had a doctor's appointment, and then I had to go see my somebody. What's up? Oh, constantly on go, 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 go. Hey. It's alright. We're getting her done. We're getting her. Damn. Part of my sandwich is burnt. The fuck? We will not tolerate that shit.
More than likely, this is the only reason that she went live, was to show her food. This is what she does. When she gets a frappe, when she gets food, she goes live because she says that we're mad and jealous. Of what? One thing's for sure, two things for certain. 99% of us don't have to beg, scam, or borrow to go out to eat or DoorDash. So I don't know what the big flex is about. To her, you know, hey, it's a big deal.
What can you do? Oh yeah. Relax. Don't worry, Pride. She's not getting done without you. Cool Hunter. Cool Hunter. I remember that name somewhere. Didn't I just meet you or something the other day or something like that?
Yeah, you were in their box for hours. And the man told you not to listen to the trolls, not to feed into it. Remember, he told you basically to shut up.
Oh, God. Yeah. Pretty sure I did. Yeah, there you go, girl. There you go, baby. Oh, my hair is a mess. Look, I've been on a mission. What's up, Tim? Where the... You been hiding, boy? Yeah, I'm getting ready to get off in a little bit. Tim, you ain't supposed to ever leave me, boy. You ready for that cruise? Are you ready for that cruise? It's about time. Lori's due. Alright, Jim, look what I got from somebody off of TikTok. I'm that bitch. Somebody sees Lori. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they do. They also see what Lori's doing behind the scenes, too. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. Anyway. Oh, I'm ready for a nap. I don't even think I can finish this. You guys, I don't think I can finish this. I'm gonna have to save it or something, you know what I mean? I'm ready for a nap. Oh my God. See, and this is why I'm up. Oh. Like 2, 3 o'clock, maybe 1, 11. But anyway, yeah. Alright,
Now she'll go and take a nap. Now we won't see her again until probably 9 o'clock tonight.
I have to wrap this up. Damn, cheese got on the wrapper though. Oops. Alright. I think that's on. Oh, now it's on my table. Alright. Oh. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna hop off. I think I'm gonna lay down for a little bit. I can't believe this. It's because I've been on a mission. I've been on a mission. Oh. Oh, I gotta be ready about 2 o'clock.
Now she claimed she'd been going since 9 a.m., right? That's what she said. Man, I've been going since 9 a.m. It was 11:30 when she went live. I mean, she acts like leaving the house and going somewhere for more than an hour is just strenuous. She looks like she just woke up from a nap. Okay, guys, so she's jumping off, so until the next one, have a good day.
God. Is it the weekend yet? I'm ready. Alright, I gotta nap till at least 2. I know I'm not gonna nap that long, but gotta run again at 2.
And here's a few of her little videos that she did. Why does she duet herself? Why does she do videos duetting herself, her own videos? Craziest thing I've ever seen. She even will do the first comment in her videos. I mean, it's crazy.
Good morning, you guys. So from my understanding, me, Gabby, and Danny, the drama twins or something, all have the same birthdays.
Why does she act like she don't know who Danny and Gabby are?
June 2nd. So I will sing it again the day of our birthday. But I want to do a happy birthday shout out to Danny and Gabby. Gemini season, baby! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabby and Danny. Happy birthday to you, and many years to come. God bless you both, and many prayers, blessings, and healings, and so much more coming your way. We'll celebrate this day together, girls, even though we don't know each other, and we're all in different states here. And to anybody else, June 2nd, hey, Gemini season is here, baby. It is officially here. It is here. It's here. It's here. So happy birthday, Gabby, Danny, and Lori Jones, and anybody else out there with the June 2nd birthday. Bless you guys.